Today, here Air Systems opened up about 12% down. I happen to own about 450 shares of it. I had been up about 7%. I needed to know what was happening. So I went to Seeking Alpha, and it had an article that summarized the biggest stock losers. And it says, despite first quarter earnings beat, Adhere Systems shares plunged 12% after the company reiterated its fiscal 2024 revenue outlook of at least 100 million and GAAP net income of 28 million. Well, that really meant nothing to me until I went to look up what is their past records. And let me show you what I found. This is Adhere's income statement. Remember, they said their revenues are going to be 100 million. Well, in 2023 through what would be the May, they were 64. So that's about what, a 60% increase in revenues they're projecting. And then they said their earnings were going to be at least 28 million. That would be a double. So that's why I went ahead and put in an order for another 100 shares. Now, I also wanted to look and see what is their financial status relative to the increasing interest rates. Well, they have a negative interest expense. That means they're getting money from somewhere else with some interest, because again, on their balance sheet, I see they do have a total debt of $6.3 million, which is not a bad situation. They have a net debt of a negative 23, which means they have more money in their coffers and short-term assets to pay off any debt that they have. So I put an order in for additional 100 shares of AEHR Hair Systems. Wanted to keep you up to date with it. Wanted you to understand that not everybody understands what's going on with a company, and sometimes they make bad decisions. I'm here to take advantage of it.